Good morning. In this video, let us see how to start a Moodle course, how to access the Moodle course. I have created a Moodle course in the name of ppgeducation.moodlecloud.com. In the browser, you enter this ppgeducation.moodlecloud.com. So you are seeing this. So here, if you are already registered, you can enter your username and password. If you are new one, use this. Is this your first time here? So create new account. You click here. So here there will be the conditions given by the Moodle course. So for the conditions you accept these conditions. So you can give this terms and conditions, you accept. Then you have to give your, so this screen you have to give your username, password and all. Here I have given the username as participant and password I have given my own password. So this mail ID you have to give twice, the first name and last name, everything you have to give. Then you click the create my account. Now you can see this window. So you can, so the mail has been sent, confirmation mail has been sent. You can check with the mail. So the mail has been received. So in the mail you have to activate this link. So upon clicking this, we can get that mail is activated, the account is activated. Now you can continue this. In the Moodle site you can continue this. So that has entered into this website, in this Moodle site. This is the course, CAD/CAM course is given in this. You can click this. So in the courses you can see, so the videos are given, the video has been given. So under that the lessons are given, under the quiz has been given. So you can see the video, watch the video to know the lesson. Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see about, so further after watching this video lessons, you can attempt the quiz. So quiz is given. So first of all, to attempt this we have to enroll for the course. Okay. For the purpose of enrolling into that, you click this gear icon, enroll me to this course. So here again click this enroll me. Now you are enrolled to this course. Now you can attempt the quizzes. Only the enrolled can able to attend the quiz. You can attempt the quiz now. So you can see that the quizzes are given. Just you can attempt this. So after attending that, you can finish the attempt. You can see that the answers are saved. You can submit all questions. Submit all and finish. So now the grading has been given. Further you can go to the feedback. You can attempt the feedback questions. You can give your answers. In this way you can use this Moodle courses. So thank you for watching. Thank you very much.